Peachtree City has extended the flash flood warning for western Chattooga County in northwestern Georgia until 1 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:06 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, emergency management reported thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 6 and 10 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 0.5 to 1 inch in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. This is a flash flood emergency for Somerville, Lyerly, and James H. Floyd State Park. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, emergency management reported. Impact, this is a particularly dangerous situation. Seek higher ground now. Life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Somerville, Tryon, Lyerly, Menlo, Barrington, James H. Floyd State Park, Cloudland, and Chattoogaville. Move to higher ground now. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Do not attempt to travel unless you are fleeing an area subject to flooding or under an evacuation order. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. The following is